Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today is going to be exciting. We're going to unbox and do an on-feet look at the Kevin Durant 12 YouTube. Let's go! If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because our giveaways, the latest one being the YEEZY 700 Inertia, is about to end. So make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, make sure that you join our Facebook community, and then check out the links down below for all of the giveaways that we are running today. Good luck! Now, this is a sneaker, guys, that I bought mainly because I'm a YouTuber. Because when I first saw it, it looked so dope, but from the perspective and from the eyes of somebody who does YouTube every day. But I can totally understand, once you get to see what's inside the box, that you don't like it or you find it ugly. Because I really think that this is a shoe that will either appeal to hardcore Kevin Durant fans or people who just love YouTube. So that said, let's get on to the unboxing. So as you guys can see, it comes in this brown carton box. And what I love about the packaging is that it's a little bit different compared to your other, well, basketball shoes. It actually gives a lot of off-white vibes. You have some sort of like perforated swoosh here at the top of the box. You have the KD logo here on the lower left corner. You have Nike basketball written over here, and then Kevin Wayne Durant, the 12th edition, etc, etc. You have the details of the sneaker over here. I did go size 13. I usually go a full size up when I buy Nike basketball shoes. I think that's the curse of having wide feet. Then if you pop the box open, you get the typical tissue paper, and then, are you ready for this? Ba-bam! Take a look at that red gloriousness. I'm not even sure if gloriousness is a word. Anyway, so this is the Kevin Durant 12 sneaker. Before we go over the features of the KD12 as a basketball slash performance shoe, let's go over the design elements first because that's what I think is what makes the sneaker kind of special. So the first most obvious thing to take a look at is if you take a look at the tongue tab, you have the YouTube logo over here, and that's on the right pair, and on the left pair you have YouTube logo plus Kevin Durant. So apparently this sneaker is something that Kevin Durant made to be able to, I don't know, celebrate and promote his YouTube channel, which has over 777,000 subscribers, which is awesome because you see a lot more celebrities, basketball players, international superstars using the platform as a means to be able to reach out to their fans and, well, other people. So anyway, so you have the YouTube logo over there, but that's not the only thing that's special about the sneaker, because if you take a look at the little design print that you can find on the tongue tab, you actually see a lot of the elements that you would usually see when you are watching or YouTube or when you are creating on YouTube. You have the logo over here of captions. You have the logo over here of next video, of pause, of the thumbs up button. You have the 35, of course, which is the jersey number of Kevin Durant. You have the KD logo and the play button. So all of that is interspersed here as well as here at the back of the heel. Now, speaking of the heel, one nice feature is if you take a look over here, it says there's skip ad, but on the other side, you can also see here, video will play after the ad. Of course, that is something that we regularly see on YouTube when we are playing. Now, one more element that you might miss is if you take a look at the insole, I'll just pop it open over here. You will see a search bar. Of course, YouTube is the second biggest search engine, and it's nice to see that incorporated in the sneaker one way or the other. Now, apart from the YouTube design elements, you have other trendy design features. You have, of course, that deconstructed vibe with the exposed stitching all over the shoe. You have a transparent upper. You have like text describing what are the features written on the actual sneaker. Things that a lot of people find trendy these days. Now if going back to the design, I think a lot of people will find it a little bit too tacky and a little bit too weird and ugly. But again, it really depends on your perspective as a YouTuber, as a content creator. It was just really a sneaker I couldn't pass up because it just, I know it says Kevin Durant, but I felt that it had my name on it because because of somebody who does YouTube almost every single day, creating, producing, making videos for you guys on a daily basis. I was just so excited and so thrilled to be able to pick up sneakers that actually had some sort of element on YouTube plastered on it. So again, I don't think it will sell out to a lot, and I don't think a lot of people will buy it like in the droves or in the millions or in the hundreds of thousands. But hey, as a YouTuber, as a content creator, it was just really something I couldn't pass up. Now, Now, as a sneaker that you will wear every day, the KD12 is actually one of the most comfortable basketball sneakers that you can wear even on a daily basis. Why do I say that? It has one of the best cushioning systems that you can get at a pretty good price. This one sells for a little over 7,000 pesos here in the Philippines, but what makes it unique is that they actually took apart like a layer of the midsole so that your foot is resting directly on top of the zoom technology that they have for the midsole, for that cushioning that you would want when you are running or walking in the sneakers. They also double stack the zoom when it comes to the heel to give you additional support, especially when you are running, so that makes it an even better performance sneaker. But again, as an everyday shoe, it is really one of the most comfortable sneakers, basketball shoes that I've had and that I've worn quite a while. Now, when you get to the upper, one of the things that Kevin Durant wanted when his shoe is that you no longer need to break it in. That's what you usually need if you are wearing like really tight or leather bound sneakers. The great thing about this shoe is that it uses the quad axial fly wire system, which is written over here. That basically means if you are not moving too much, it's a bit more relaxed. But the moment you start running or moving in that explosive movement that Kevin Durant is known for, it actually locks it down a little bit firmer so you get that support when you need it, not all the time, so that your feet can actually breathe a little bit and are a bit more comfortable. And those elements, the design, the look, the styling, the performance on the cushioning, the on-demand lockdown that you get with the upper, I feel makes it a great everyday shoe and not just a basketball sneaker. Again, I've tried a lot. I've even, tested the LeBron 16s. I've tried a bunch of other basketball sneakers, from the Jordans to the Under Armour ones to the different brands. This one is really one of my favorites insofar as everyday wear is considered. So do I recommend the Kevin Durant 12 YouTube sneaker? Well, if the design talks to you, then by all means go buy one. If you think that you can rock it and that you love a sneaker that will pop because it is just so red, I mean, take a look at that. That will break necks and turn heads, get you all that attention. Then go for it. But insofar as performance and comfort is considered, I think it really boils down to how you guys play basketball. But as an everyday sneaker, again, let me just reiterate, the KD12 as a silhouette is one of my favorites insofar as casual wear is considered. What do you guys think of the KD12 YouTube? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I'll also be replying to as many comments as I can after publishing of the video. So if you are watching this the same time as I am publishing it, or in the first hour that I published it, please do leave a comment. I will try to engage with you as much as I can. Now, at this point in the vlog, what I want to do is we have a couple of international YouTubers who are visiting here in the Philippines. Of course, I'm talking about Tom Stefaniuk and Christian, aka Sneaker Talk. They're here in the Philippines for Beyond the Culture. If you guys didn't see my vlog about Beyond the Culture, please do check that out. I will put links down below. And as YouTubers themselves, I just want to get their initial impressions on the KT12 YouTube. I'll be talking to them. They're actually coming over here to my house, and yeah, I'll just show it to them. We'll get what they think, and then we'll close the vlog there. So we have Tom over here.
Hey guys.
So give us your reaction on this shoe.
Okay, I think I know what this is already.
KD12 YouTube.
Wow, this is very red. Okay, that's really cool. They have all the different icons on here. They have like closed caption, pause, play, fast forward, dislike, like. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, take a look at what's written over here.
Skip ad. Video will play after ad. This is really cool. I like these. I don't know how much these are geared towards just like regular everyday people versus content creators. I think a lot of YouTubers and aspiring YouTubers will want these. I don't know about like the general public, but
same thoughts actually.
These are really cool. I like these. It's sort of funny to have the YouTube logo and all the different. I really like the skip ad. That's probably my favorite part.
Would you wear them?
Oh, for sure. Like not out and about, but to play basketball, 100%. Yeah.
Have you tried the KD12 before in the past?
I haven't, but I've heard really good things about it.
Yeah,
I've heard
the cushioning is amazing,
shoe.
man. You should try it out.
Awesome.
So thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Okay, next, of course, we have Christian. Thoughts on the shoe, man?
I think it's really cool that they did a collab. I find it strange though that they went for like an NBA player versus like hitting people in the sneaker community on YouTube.
Yeah.
I think that was a missed opportunity, but it's cool. And I think with it being an actual basketball player who has a YouTube channel, it makes sense because not too many have an actual YouTube channel. But yeah, I like the details. I agree with you, Tom. The skip ad is a cool little touch. Well, it's like it feels cheap there. But yeah, I don't think I could wear this. I don't think I could wear this on like a regular outfit. But if I were to go to something like VidCon or like a convention that has YouTubers and stuff, that's where I would. The only occasion I would wear this. Yeah, it's cool. I like the colorway, white and red. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, they're actually flying out today. So,
Oh, no, Tom is.
oh well,
Just me.
you're flying out today.
Yep, in a few
So
hours.
maybe thoughts on the Philippines before
It was
you go say goodbye.
absolutely amazing. Like everyone's incredibly nice. The weather was very nice. It didn't rain at all while we were here. I thought it was going to rain a lot. The people were nice. As I said, the event that we went to was amazing. Lots of sneaker stores, lots of amazing food. It was really, really good. Can't wait to be back.
Okay guys, so make sure that you subscribe to Tom. Link to his channel can be found down below. Safe flight, man.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And you? Well, they're
I'm
still
here
here.
for like 3 more days, so
yeah, so
don't get
subscribe
sick
to
of
him.
me. Yeah,
you'll
subscribe.
probably see him walking around Green Hills.
Most likely.